Hey guys, how you doing? We're gonna cook some. We're gonna cook a mushroom ceviche out of these morels that were donated to me by the Simmons family. We harvested them just this weekend in South Minnesota. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a ceviche. So I got a pan high right here. So we haven't done this before, so we're just gonna try it out. But their suggestion was to have some really hot, cook them in butter. So we're gonna do here is we have our nice morels. Saute those up right there. Turn the heat up a little bit. I'm going to add some jalapeno and onions. Okay. We got a little tomato right here as well. And typically with ceviche, you want to, you kind of cook it chemically by like lemon juice and acid, but I think with these mushrooms, you kind of want to just get a head start and kind of sear them off a little bit because they're kind of fibrous. So you want to get them tender. We got that going right here. Grab the tongs. So when you see a dish like this, what is it screaming to you? It's screaming salt. I need salt really bad. So we're here with some salt. That's pretty much it. Just a nice little flash like that. What we got here is we got some cilantro. Put the cilantro in there. Sweat that out for a minute. And I got some fresh lime juice. We're going to hit that with some fresh lime juice. Oh, I'll probably do another one like that because I like it. I like that extra lime in there. It hits your taste buds really well. So we're going to do that. Toss it up a little bit. We've got a mushroom ceviche right here. What we're going to do is we're going to serve it with fried tortilla chips. So that's it. Have a good one.